ever wondered if there are parts of your body that don't have blood? It might sound strange, but it's true. Now, we all grow up learning that our bodies are a network of blood vessels, pumping this life-giving fluid to every nook and cranny. After all, blood carries oxygen and nutrients, crucial for our survival, right? But here's a twist in the story. There are certain areas of our bodies, believe it or not, that are avascular, a term used to describe body parts that are devoid of blood vessels. Instead, these parts rely on diffusion to receive the nutrients and oxygen they need. Now you might be wondering, what parts of our bodies could possibly function without direct access to blood? Well, prepare to be amazed. From the outermost layer of your eyes to the tough cartilage in your joints, these areas are a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of the human body. Stay tuned as we uncover the mystery of these bloodless regions. First on our list is the cornea, the clear front surface of your eye. This transparent layer forms a window that allows light to enter your eye. Its primary function is to focus the entering light on the retina, thus playing a crucial role in vision. But have you ever wondered why the cornea doesn't bleed when injured? Well, the cornea is avascular, meaning it has no blood vessels. It is one of the few tissues in the body that doesn't require blood to function. Instead, the cornea relies on two fluids for its oxygen and nutrients. Firstly, the tears, which bathe the cornea every time you blink, providing it with oxygen and other essential nutrients. Secondly, the aqueous humor, a clear fluid in the front of the eye, also supplies the cornea with necessary nutrients. So you see, the cornea is an amazing part of our body that can function without blood. So that's the cornea, clear and blood-free. Next up, we have the cartilage, a flexible connective tissue found in many areas of the body. Cartilage is a resilient and smooth elastic tissue, a rubber-like padding that covers and protects the ends of long bones at the joints, and is a structural component of the rib cage, the ear, the nose, the bronchial tubes, the intervertebral discs, and many other body components. Unlike other connective tissues, cartilage does not contain blood vessels. The chondrocytes are fed by diffusion, helped along by the pumping action generated by compression of the cartilage in physical activity. So, how does cartilage receive its nutrients, you ask? Well, it's through a process called diffusion, where nutrients are absorbed from the surrounding area and transferred to the cells. This might sound like a disadvantage, but it actually works out pretty well for the cartilage. It allows the tissue to be shock absorbent and resist compression, making it ideal for cushioning our joints. Now you know, even without blood, cartilage does its job perfectly well. Last but not least, we have the hair and nails, structures we see and touch every day. Intriguingly, these parts of our bodies are devoid of blood supply. But how can this be? Let's delve a little deeper. Both hair and nails are formed from keratin, a tough protein. This keratin is produced in the hair follicles and nail beds, and as new cells form, they push the older ones out, creating the hair and nails we see. But here's the interesting part. These structures are essentially made of dead cells, which is why they don't need a blood supply. So how do these structures receive nutrients, you might ask? Well, it's all about the base. The base of the hair follicle and the nail bed are alive and kicking, receiving nutrients from the blood supply in the underlying skin and disseminating them to the growing hair and nails. So hair and nails, everyday parts of us, yet remarkably blood-free. So, to recap, our journey today has taken us through some of the most fascinating aspects of human biology, exploring those parts of our bodies that operate without a blood supply. We've discovered the cornea, the clear front surface of the eye, which gets its oxygen directly from the air. We've delved into the world of cartilage, that flexible connective tissue that doesn't need blood to do its job. And we've combed through the details of our hair and nails, structures made from keratin, a protein that requires no blood to grow. Each of these bloodless wonders serves as a testament to the incredible complexity and adaptability of our bodies, operating efficiently and effectively without the need for a direct blood supply. They reveal that our bodies are not just the sum of their parts, but a wondrous interplay of different systems and structures. There you have it, a fascinating insight into the bloodless parts of our bodies. Who knew biology could be so intriguing?